How's it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. In this video, I just wanted to quickly share with you some of the unnoticed features that you guys are not using on your Galaxy devices. Well, all these features that I am about to show you are super useful and you should definitely try it out. With that being said, if you really love my Samsung videos and want me to continue making exclusive videos for Samsung devices, then guys, I really need your support and love. So make sure we complete 2000 likes on this video. With that being said, drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up let's talk about Edge Panel. Well, we all know Edge Panel helps you to access all your favorite applications by just swiping on the edges of your screen. But did you know you can also assign some very useful tasks with the help of this Edge Panel? For example, on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10, I can launch my camera directly in the video mode or the picture mode with just one click. Guys, it is super handy and now I don't have to keep changing modes every time I open my camera. Let me show you how you can enable this on your device. Go to your settings, display, Edge screen and make sure you enable this task panel. Here you will find all the different tasks and shortcuts that you can easily add to your home screen. You can add shortcuts like you can take a screenshot, send a message, create a new contact, or even you can set an alarm directly from your home screen itself. Edge panels are super productive and I will highly recommend you to start using it. If you go to your notification panel and then select secure folder, it will ask you to register your fingerprint or your password. Once you have done this, now you can add all your private files, documents, images or anything that are really important to you so nobody will be able to access all your files that you save here. You can access your secure folder anytime from the app drawer. And you can also hide this folder whenever you want by just going to the notification panel and disable secure folder. Well, it's a very useful feature that comes inbuilt with Samsung phones and now you don't have to install any third-party applications to hide all your files. Next up is how you can optimize your Galaxy device without going to device care. Well, if you go to settings, device care, here you get the option to optimize your phone and make it much faster. To be very honest, most of you forget to do this. So I have a very simple solution by which you can optimize your device right from your home screen. Just press and hold on your home screen and select widgets. You will get this device care widget. Just drag it down to your home screen. And now you can easily optimize your device whenever you need right from your home screen. Alright guys, next up is how you can improve your multitasking experience. Well, most of us use split screen mode to access couple of applications at one time. But what if you want to use more than 2 applications? Just select open app in pop-up view and now you can resize the application and place it wherever you want. You can even use it in a pop-up window like this. You can open any number of applications that you like and take your multitasking to the next level. Finally, let's talk about one simple yet very useful feature. We all use torchlight in our devices, but instead of just turning it on, you can select flashlight which is written below the icon and now you will get the option either to increase or decrease the brightness level. I guess most of you don't know this and you will definitely find it very useful. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 unnoticed features that you are not using on your Samsung device. If you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.